Hi everybody, it's Skull+Butterfly here. This is gonna be a really weird video and a very short one, as obvious. And by the title and screenshot, you might be thinking, what? Snow already? Seriously? Well, the thing is, this is kind of a really funny story. So, last Tuesday, not last Tuesday, but like the other day, the school said that all public schools for Nebraska will be shut down because of the blizzard. So that's why I'm drawing like a Christmas thing here. And I'm having to loop the thing so I could talk more. But you see, this blizzard was not like the previous one. And I should have made a video on the previous one, but I didn't for some reason. Okay, so the previous blizzard, the snow got extremely high, and we were told that Friday we would be able to go back to school. So I walk up to the school thinking that it would be just like a normal school day. But for some reason, by the time I get there, I knock on the door, no answer. I ring the doorbell, no answer. Then somebody who lives very close to the school was right behind me, and she said, I don't think there's school today. I was like, what? Seriously? Why? And she said, you're the first person that's walked up to the school. I was kind of shocked. I mean, like, who would it be? You were told that school would be on Friday, but then it turns out that Friday was canceled. And they don't update the schedule on their website daily, so yeah, we all thought we had Friday, but nope. And a similar thing is happening to this time. Only we aren't exactly sure if we can go to school tomorrow. But today and yesterday was canceled for school because, again, there was a blizzard. It wasn't as bad as last time because last time, you know me, I'm like 5'4" now. I walk outside, the snow is up to my knees. And the snow is so hard that sometimes you can walk on top of the snow without breaking it. And it's like so cool. It's so cool to feel like as though you're walking on extremely thin ice. It's so much fun, yet it's so it's so anxiety-inducing at the same time. Like, it's like trying to walk on thin ice. Yeah. Well, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button. Subscribe to see more.